to do a pull in this Hellcat. Probably about at 1,000 horsepower right now. Let's see. Yeah, let's see if it's any different. Oh shit! Yeah, that shit is nuts, bro. The camera's all blurry. Alright, don't even know if this is going to work, but this off right here, and I'm going to try to put the steering wheel on there and see how much better the steering wheel will feel compared to, you know, being extended and comes out a little bit more. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about here. Watch. So here's what I mean and why I would try to shorten it. When I put it on, right, it's about maybe... that right there is about 2 inches further up this way. I figure if I could shorten the wheel a bit, right, put the wheel more flush onto this, I think I probably could get away with it. But I just got to see how it works out. But I want to take this off. I made this plate right here, still carbon fiber delete plate. So I'll use it for this if it works out. I might eventually put this back on, like if I get a bucket seat or something that is hard to get in and out of, then I will need it, you know, the removable steering wheel. But for now, let's see if this will fit. It'll be a little bit too big, so it won't work. I do need the adapter on there. Man, they know what they're doing when they build these things. But you have to buy those adapters. That won't work. See, this is what I'm going for, was to bring it a little bit forward a bit, so it's a lot more. Then again, I don't know if I even like that, because my hand is touching the signal and touching that right there, so it's super close. Yeah, that one worked anyway. Not that worked. That's what we doing. I'm gonna try to. Well, we blurry, bro. Yeah, but trying to take out the shifter box without having to take out the center console. So normally people take these out and they paint them. I'm gonna paint mine too, but I'm gonna do mine a little bit different. Normally you paint them and they, excuse me. So you take these out, they paint them with like black paint. Over time they strip. I want mine a little bit more durable, you feel me? So what I'm gonna do is, ooh, popped it in reverse. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to do mine in some bed liner. So we'll see how it works. Also being very lazy tonight because I don't want to take off the outer part. See if I could knock this out without taking off the center console in the MR2. Should be good though. So far so good, right? We'll see the issues that I run into. Yeah. Is it zoomed out? No, it's not zoomed out. There we go. But yeah, we'll see the issues I run into tonight. Let's take this one off. We need a 10 mil. Alright, so this is how I installed my RSX shifter. I just put these rib nuts in here, back here. This is where the original holes are for the OEM shifter. So if you're telling me that these are unsafe right here, then to me you're dumb. I don't see an issue with that. Alright, so I got it out, got it all masked. That arm right there is masked. That's masked right there. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna spray it with some bed liner and hopefully it stays. Alright, so got it painted and I think it looks like complete shit. There's a run over here. Hopefully it blends whenever. Alright, got it painted and I think it looks like complete shit. There's a run right here. You can see it. Hopefully it blends. If not, tomorrow I'm just going to have to sand it and touch it up right there. And that, there's a few other parts. I was trying to get that. I don't know what the fuck look I was going for, but this probably ain't gonna be it. I probably fucked it up. Once it dry, we'll see how it looks. It'll be rugged though, a lot more tougher than the freaking paint. It won't chip as easy, but we'll see. Oh my gosh. Yo, you see my hands, they're black and it's late. It's like the next day. It's like 2 days after I done painted the shifter, and bruh, it's trash. It's totally trash. This is how I ruined my shifter. Shit is freaking, it's like peeling. It's not even sticking to it. I talked to my buddy, he's a painter. He said basically what I did was I didn't shake up the can enough and this shit doesn't stick at all. Look at that. This shit is coming off like freaking, it's coming off like plastic dip, which is not plastic dip, I don't think. Shit was supposed to be some bed liner, and I did bed liner because I thought it was going to be more durable, and you know, it wouldn't flake like everything else. In some spots it did, but other spots it's just coming like right off. So I'm going to try to peel it off and then sand it down and then try to redo it with less, you know, do less and let it dry, and then freaking make sure I shake it up well, I guess. I don't know, man. This is trash. Like, I'm so disappointed in myself right now.